In 2025, earning cryptocurrency directly from your smartphone has become easier and more rewarding than ever. With blockchain technology continuing to evolve, new mobile apps have emerged that allow users to earn crypto without needing deep technical knowledge or large investments. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crypto enthusiast, these apps offer various ways to collect digital assets simply by completing small tasks, playing games, or participating in decentralized finance (DeFi) programs. One of the most popular apps this year is Sweatcoin, which pays users in cryptocurrency for walking. The concept is simple: every step you take is converted into a token that can be exchanged for goods, services, or even traded on exchanges. In 2025, Sweatcoin has expanded its ecosystem, introducing the Sweat token, which runs on the Near blockchain, offering users a more secure and transparent earning experience. Another app making waves is Stormgain, an all-in-one crypto trading and mining platform. What sets Stormgain apart is its free cloud mining feature, allowing users to mine Bitcoin without using their phone's hardware. Users simply log in, activate the miner, and claim their profits every few hours. Combined with a user-friendly interface and integrated trading tools, Stormgain is ideal for anyone who wants to earn and manage crypto in one place. For gamers, CryptoTab browser continues to be a fan favorite in 2025. It rewards users with Bitcoin for simply browsing the internet. The app uses a built-in mining algorithm that runs in the background, generating passive income over time. With the option to connect multiple devices and invite friends through referrals, CryptoTab makes earning BTC fun and social. If you prefer earning through microtasks, Pawns.app and Timebucks remain strong contenders. These platforms pay users in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies for completing online surveys, watching videos, and testing apps. Although the earnings per task are small, consistency can lead to a steady stream of crypto income, especially when combined with referral bonuses. A newer addition in 2025 is hi.com, a social payment app that combines banking and crypto rewards. Users can earn daily crypto bonuses just by checking in or inviting friends. What makes hi.com stand out is its zero-fee exchange, virtual debit card, and easy access to multiple cryptocurrencies, making it a great choice for beginners who want a safe entry into the crypto world. Before using any app, it's important to verify its legitimacy, read reviews, and understand the withdrawal methods. Some apps offer instant transfers to crypto wallets, while others may have minimum withdrawal limits or require identity verification. In conclusion, 2025 is shaping up to be the golden year for mobile crypto earning. With innovative apps like Sweatcoin, Stormgain, CryptoTab, Pawns.app, and hi.com, anyone with a smartphone can start building a crypto portfolio without investing.